The daily product showcase is back again. There's nothing more wonderful than creating a handmade gift for the most important man in your family, your father. A gift crafted by the hands of a loved one will always carry immense sentimental value, filled with love and respect. Today, let's get started on making a truly unique and meaningful Pebble art piece together. Prepare the materials. Background paper, choose a sheet of paper measuring 9 by 9 inches, then skillfully trim the excess to achieve a perfect base. Use a frame that matches the size of the paper to highlight the elegance of the painting. Here, I've selected 4 pebbles representing the father and child. The accessories to decorate this painting are very simple, consisting of a wooden heart. Once satisfied with the arrangement, use white glue to secure the pebbles and decorative elements in place. Next, we will use a black oil-based pen to outline and add details to the image in the artwork. At our store, you can customize the colors and add quotes of your choice, making the painting uniquely suited for your father. Allow the glue to dry completely, then place the painting into the pre-prepared frame. The frame will add a touch of elegance and give your artwork a polished finish. And there you have it, a Pebble painting for Dad, a gift full of meaning and love. See you in our next product creation.